In this video, I want to talk about Python scripting in Abaqus. Python scripting is very strong capability in Abaqus when it comes to parametric study. It helps in automating almost everything in Abaqus. So in this video, I want to show you that how to run a script and how to use the Abaqus editor for Python scripting. Okay, so let's start. Let's go to File and you will see that this is a command run script and this one is abaqus PDE. Okay, let's first click on abaqus PDE. Okay, and it is loading now. Okay, abaqus PDE started. This is a text editor for abaqus where you can edit your Python script. Right now we don't have any script. Okay, let's click on open and I have a abaqus macro.py. Okay, so I will click on that and I will open it. So this is how a Python script looks like. To use Python scripting, you need to have a basic knowledge of Python. Whatever you want to edit in it, you can edit here. This is a text editor. Okay, so let's say that I want to edit this. Okay, let's just I edited it, and after editing, save it. Now you can close the script or you can just minimize the script and come to the abaqus UI. To run that script, you need to go to file and here is the run script. Okay, just click on it and you will find that script. Okay, and just you can run it by clicking OK. That's it. This is quite easy. Okay, one more thing that you also can run this script from here in this abaqus PDE window also. So the main file, select a file. Okay, this is abaqus macro.py. I have selected that. And now you can run it from here. Like you just choose GUI or kernel or local. So you can choose GUI, and if you want to choose kernel, you can choose kernel. But I will choose GUI, and now I will click on play. Okay, so there you see that the flashing window of the abaqus UI. Okay, so it basically a script ran and those effects which are in the script have been taken. So this is how you run a Python script in abaqus and edit it and use it.